Imagine you have a secret weapon that could streamline your productivity, organize your thoughts, and boost your creative output. What if I told you this weapon was already in your hands, waiting to be unleashed? It's called Notion. But here's the real question. Can you turn your Notion skills into a profitable side hustle? How much money can you actually make by selling Notion templates? Notion has exploded in popularity in recent years, thanks to its versatility and customization. It's become a go-to tool for everything from project management and note-taking to personal organization and content creation. This surge in popularity has created a thriving market for Notion templates. People are constantly searching for pre-designed templates to help them get started quickly and efficiently. Potential earnings. So, how much can you expect to earn from selling Notion templates? The answer depends on several factors, including quality of your templates. The more polished, functional, and visually appealing your templates are, the more likely they are to sell. Niche. Specializing in a particular niche, e.g., productivity, marketing, education, can help you target a specific audience. Pricing strategy. You can choose to offer your templates as free downloads, premium products, or a combination of both. Marketing and promotion. Effective marketing and promotion will help you reach potential customers and drive sales. Case studies. Let's take a look at a few successful Notion template creators and see how much they've been able to earn. Example 1. A template creator who specializes in productivity templates has built a thriving online store, selling templates for tasks like daily planning, goal setting, and habit tracking. They report earning an average of $500 per month from template sales. Example 2. A template creator who focuses on marketing templates has created a popular template bundle for social media content planning. They offer their templates as a premium product and have generated over $1,000 in sales per month. Example 3. A template creator who specializes in educational templates has created a series of free templates for students. They have gained a large following on social media and have been able to monetize their audience through affiliate marketing and sponsored content. Tips for success. If you're interested in selling Notion templates, here are a few tips to help you get started. Identify your niche. Determine what kind of Notion templates you're passionate about creating and what audience you want to target. Create high-quality templates. Pay attention to design, functionality, and user experience. Choose a pricing strategy. Decide whether you want to offer free or premium templates, or a combination of both. Market your templates. Promote your templates on social media, online marketplaces, and your own website. Build a community. Connect with other Notion users and create a community around your templates. Selling Notion templates can be a rewarding and profitable side hustle. By creating high-quality templates, targeting the right audience, and effectively marketing your products, you can generate a significant income. The earning potential is virtually limitless, so don't be afraid to experiment and explore different niches and pricing strategies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.